The rain keeps falling on my window pane, like it's trying to wash away the pain. A house full of voices, yet I'm alone. No one can hear the cracks inside my bones. I wear a smile beneath the family lights. Though nobody sees this tired soul. Even my shadow walks ahead of me, like it gave up on what I used to be. And every night the moon hangs low, watching tears that never show. The stars above all know my name, but no one here feels quite the same. I'm a lighthouse lost inside the storm, trying to guide hearts back to shore. But who will save the light in me when all I am is lost at sea? I scream into the ocean wind, but it only echoes back again. 1,000 waves call out my name, but nobody understands my pain. She was the flower in my winter snow, the only place I thought I'd ever belong. But even she looked through my eyes and never saw the war I hide. I gave her sunsets, I gave her spring, all the broken songs I couldn't sing. But love became a silent road, two lonely hearts with different souls. The mountains keep their ancient scars, the river carries fallen stars. Maybe some wounds are meant to stay, like clouds that never drift away. I'm tired of being strong for everyone, not drowning underneath the sun. I'm tired of wearing this disguise while hurricanes live in my eyes. Can anybody hear me now? Can anybody break these clouds? I carry worlds upon my back while slowly fading into black. I'm not a star, I'm not a ghost, I'm just a man who did it all. Yeah, they say, be a man, so I buried every tear. Built these walls so high, nobody entered here. Father never listened, mother never knew how a child can grow old before 22. Every room felt cold even when filled with light. Every laugh felt borrowed, every day a fight. I kept giving pieces of myself away till I looked in the mirror and forgot my face. And the girl I loved, damn, I loved her for real. But some wounds are too deep for words to reveal. She held my hand, but never held my fears. Never saw the ocean that I cried for years. So here I stand, beneath this endless sky, talking to the moon, cause people pass me by. If my heart's a forest, burned by every season, then loneliness became the only thing still breathing. The rain keeps falling, but I won't hide. Though 1,000 storms live inside. Maybe tomorrow the dawn will come and warm the places numb for so long. Till then I'll walk this road alone with shattered dreams and skin of stone. pain behind my face. The ocean sleeps, the night grows still, and somewhere in the dark, a lonely heart beats on still.